Congratulations on getting Fusion version 15. We hope the software will bring you everything you wish from the latest design software for the kitchen, bedroom and bathroom industry. Fusion version 15 also hosts some great new features which has allowed us to branch out into interior design industry. Welcome to all. To install Fusion version 15, follow these steps and enjoy. If you need any assistance, please call us and we would be happy to help you over the phone or online, where we will install the program for you. The first thing that you need to do is to insert the DVD into your DVD drive. Once you have placed the installation DVD into your PC, it will pop up with the welcome screen after installing .NET or other software that it needs to first. For this installation video, we're going to do a first time installation, the full installation. This is if you do not have any previous version of Planet. So if you have version 12 or below, you can use the first time installation, but if you have anything above that, you would use upgrade. But for now, because I don't have any Planet Fusion Live or any Planet before that, I'm going to use the first time installation. So I'm going to click on the first time installation tab and click on next. These are the programs that it's going to install for me. It's going to install Fusion version 15, which is the actual software. Fusion version 15 additional features, which are the scripts. Fusion version 15 tutorial. This is handy because it's different from the previous tutorials, and we recommend that you do go through it to learn the basics of the new program of Fusion version 15. Fusion version 15, the catalogs and the master database will also be installed into this one. If you have an existing one, it will overwrite it and so you would lose some design. So if you do have a previous version, do not use the first time installation. But for this instance, I'm going to use it so I can use the new database. And also Maxima Live Update, which is the update program which will keep your Fusion updated and also your Quote Master and Factory Manager updated, as well as the other software which Maxima Software produces. For now, we're going to click on Install, and it will start the installation process for you. The installation process will start with the Welcome to Fusion Installation Wizard. It's going to tell you that this is a new program and there's many exciting new features to help you with the software. It's going to ask you to insert your dongle, otherwise it's going to give you an error message when it tries to run. And it's also going to install software that it needs to operate. So for now, we're just going to click on Next. A message will pop up that will ask you again to ensure that your dongle is attached before continuing with the installation. You can click on OK. This is the license agreement that Planet has for you. You can read through it, go through the license agreement, and at the end of it you would need to press I accept the terms of the license agreement. You can print it out if you would like, and then you would click Next to continue the installation. It will come up with the customer information, so you would put your name. I'm going to type mine in, followed by the company name, Maxima Software. And you would keep it on install this application for all users. This you would keep it on the default when you're using the first time installation. And I'm just going to click on Next. For the database installation, you would use the server and client setup. This is you would use all the time for all installations that you would use. So we're going to click on Next. The next step of the installation is to click on the Create a New Database and to click on Next. This is also for the first time installation. If you were upgrading an existing one, so if you had a previous version of Fusion, or if you had Fusion version 15 and you just wanted to update your database, you would click on Use an existing database. But because I don't have a database at the moment, I'm just going to go Create a New Database and click on Next. Now it's asking you for the location of the database. You click on Next, keep it on the default as is. And this is the location of the actual program under C drive program files Fusion. That's fine for me. I'm just going to click on next again. Lastly, it will confirm it, and then it will start installing it for you. And here we go. It's installing the program for us, including the master database, and we should have the installation finished in a few minutes. Okay, this is the error message that will pop up if you do not have a dongle inserted. It will say no dongle, so unable to start application. I'll stick my dongle in now and let it run the Fusion. So I'm just going to click on OK. And you'll notice that your icon has appeared, so we can click Finish for the version 15 of Fusion installation. Click on Finish, and then it will start running the scripts and the other folders, the other programs that we will need to install. So you'll notice it will highlight in green the Fusion version 15. At the moment it's installing scripts. Next it will move on to tutorials, catalogs, and then the live update. So we'll let this finish installing the scripts. It is now installing the tutorial for us so that we can run the program and have a look at the tutorial at the same time. It is finished installing the scripts and the tutorial. It is now moving on to the catalogs, and will install all the latest catalogs plus all the groups for the catalogs, and so that you can just start designing from the first off. The catalogs are the longest to install just because they're the biggest, and it will place about over a gig worth of catalogs onto your PC. The next one that will pop up was the live update, and this will keep your software updated from Maxima if you're on the internet permanently. So what we're going to do is I've already got it installed, but if you didn't, you would click on next to install it, and I'm just going to repair it for now. And here it goes. It's installing and updating my Maxima Live Update. Okay, it's finished installing the program of Maxima Live Update, and you'll notice that it says here, congratulations, setup has completed successfully. The installation process is finished. You'll notice that you've got 4 new icons on your desktop. You've got the Fusion blog, which will take you to the Maxima Software Fusion blog, which will show you how to do tips and tricks and how to get started on and nice features that are on the new version of Fusion. Maxima Live Update. This will install the live update so that it will keep your programs updated. Fusion is obviously the program that you would need to design the software, design your kitchens and the software you need for that. The Fusion version 15 tutorial, you would need to go through this first if you don't know anything about the program. It will show you the basics and get you started on how to design. For now, I'm just going to click on Finish so that we can finish this installation. And you'll notice that now you can run your Fusion. If you've got your dongle plugged in, you can run and design your programs on the latest Fusion version 15. Thank you very much for listening to this video.